Hey everyone, here's my Casablanca Panama with the Emerson light kit, and I wanted to show the Emerson Maui Bay with this light kit, but the Maui Bay was having some scratching problems because it needs a new flywheel, and I'll probably wait till I get a new flywheel until I put the Maui Bay back up. I won't hang the Maui Bay anytime soon because it needs a new flywheel. So here's my Casablanca Panama with a Emerson light kit. So it's pretending to be a bowl light, so I don't have the bowl pieces for it, like the finials and stuff. So, but here it is. Well, a lot of people hate bowl lights. I'm okay with them, unless if the chains are too hard to pull. I'd have to do separate videos on all the speeds. So, anyways, so here is the light. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Now I'm gonna put the fan on low. Almost. Here we go. Here's low speed. Low. Anyways, so that's about low. I like the low speed that Casablanca produces for their 3-speed fans. I do like it on their IntelliTouch models too. Like my Saturn, I really like the speed one that it produces, like the lowest speed that it produces, because the speed one is so aesthetic. I like the low speed that my Emerson Maui Bay produces. And I like the low speed that this produces because it kind of looks kind of cool, and you can see the blade spinning round and round on low. That's about low. And he's medium. Medium's one of my favorite speeds, so let's go to medium. Here's the light. Oops. Why isn't this chain not wanting to hit the light? Anyways, that's medium. Moving a good breeze on medium. And here's high. Right away, here we go. So it wouldn't hit the blade arms. Here's high. And light it off. Whoa, this fan is fast. It kind of scared me a little bit. This thing forces a lot of air out. Surprisingly, it doesn't wobble on there. Wobbles on the hang true. It's moving a lot of air. This is Casablanca. Anyways. Here is the spin down. This thing is going to take a long spin down time. Oh, it's spinning down. I'm going to reverse it. Put it in the clockwise direction. Reverse that now. It sure is taking a long spin down time. This thing has got heavy blades. And it stopped. So I'm going to do it reverse now. Starting with low. Oops. Medium. Sorry. Excuse me. I'm going to show high reverse or restacking down. This thing might wobble in reverse. High. Oh. Here we go. So bowl lights are kind of hard to pull the chain out of. Here's high reverse. Oh, not that again. Here we go. Actually, that can jump. You can't show it for a second, but it's blowing things around. It's a good performer. And let's stop it. The chain pulls well. Anyways, that's about it. That is the Casablanca Panama with bowl light kit. My phone already has a low battery warning, so anyways, thank you for watching.